Alright, we just drained the oil out right now. It's dripping out as we speak. Now we're going to change these fuel lines, take this carburetor off, replace it, and all the gear that comes with it. So, alright, so this was stuck on here. Finally got that off. And so this, you're supposed to have some tool called the E5 internal Torx bit, but I just used some pliers and it just came apart. And of course, once you get that going, it just screws off. No big deal. There you go. Now we'll just replace it with the new one. All right, so that's the wrong carburetor. The fuel line is on the wrong side. So one of the screws are being a booger trying to come off. So I'm going to cut into it a little bit with this and see if I can get it out. And then what we're going to do is to change all the internal parts. Stand by. Finally got the bolts to loosen. So now let's get them off and replace these parts. All right, this is the inside of the carburetor. Let's take a look and see. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to clean out this little hole right here with my little carburetor cleaners, because what happens is this gets clogged up and it should have a clear passage right through this little hole right here. Yeah, let's see if I can. All right, all the gaskets look good inside, as you can see, hopefully. See that little piece right there come out? It's got a little O-ring on there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to drop it. But I'm going to clean. Fucking mosquitoes. Damn it. I cannot believe they're out here. It's too cold. As you can see, the carburetor I ordered, even though I used the right stock number, is completely different from the carburetor that comes off this particular model. ES1525W. That's not it. Thanks, Amazon, for wasting my time. But I'll fix it somehow. I'm just showing you here how I cleaned out the carburetor cap. There's the new one. Looks just like. See, that's not the right one, even though they said it was. Unbelievable. Okay. Our first carburetor rebuild. Alright, looks like this gasket on here is still good. I could replace it. Let's see if these new ones are the same size. Probably not, considering nothing else fits. Alright, here's my cap. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now we just need to put our spring back. Maybe not put it on so it's brute force. That's all good. Oh yeah. All right. Both of those are nice and snug now. Carburetor has been rebuilt. This right here moves just like this. All right, so we know that's closed and that's wide open. All right, so we'll leave it in the wide open. Actually,
Thanks for watching. This is me trying to hold back the special bolts to put back on the carburetor air filter. Won't take long now to get it up and running. So stay tuned, see what happens.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, damn it. Power for driver.